Okay, hello, good evening everyone. Can everyone hear me? Tell me.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, let us start. Today I'll complete this chapter. Okay. Okay, can everyone see my screen? Tell me. Okay, let us start. So I've given some homework questions. Okay, let me see. 25. Come. Sit anywhere you want to sit. Come. Anyways, first one, everyone. The answer is given as h equal to 4r by 3. Right, everyone? Tell me. First one, the answer is h is equal to 4 into capital R by 3. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Tell me.
Sir,
Yes, tell me, Kirtan.
sir, I did this only. You said it was wrong.
You said, did this only? But
Yes,
you.
I additionally wrote the volume as well.
Oh, acha. I saw that one only, then I think I have given you wrong. Let me see. Let me see. Oh. But see, you have boxed the volume, see.
Yes, sir, I just forgot what you wanted.
Okay. The question wanted only
Yes,
the height.
altitude. Yes, sir, I forgot that.
Okay, no problem. So h is equal to 4 into capital R by 3. Pay attention, everyone. Next one, this we did it in straight lines, right? Do people remember? Yes, the answer is 11 by 7 comma 0. Okay. And if they ask you the distance you can find it out. Okay, distance will be equal to square root of root 53. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask now. Tell me. Next, third one, c is equal to half comma 7 by 4. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. This one? Okay. So pay attention. Three now over here. Y equal to x square plus bx plus c. What happened? Don't talk. Shashwata. So this particular straight line, this particular parabola passes through 3 points. Okay, a minus 2 comma 3, b is minus 1 comma 1, and c is not given to us. D is given as 2 comma 7. So can we find out the equation of the parabola? Tell me. Yes? How? Tell me. How to find out the equation of the parabola? Tell me, Trina.
Sir, can you show the
Yes. How can we find out the equation of the parabola? Shall I tell you? What happened? How we can find out the equation of this parabola? Sorry, anyways. Pay attention. 3 points are given to us, right? And there are 3 variables, isn't it? So this parabola will pass through these 3 points. Yes or no? Tell me. Are you getting?
So it's minus 2 plus
Since A, B, and D, yes, we'll get 3 equations in 3 variables. Since, are you getting or not? Lies on y equal to ax square plus bx plus c. We can substitute, yes or no? Tell me. Plus bx plus c. So let us substitute. Okay. Putting a minus 2 comma 3, x equal to minus 2, y equal to 3. 3 will be equal to a into 4 minus b into 2 plus c. Okay, so from here we'll get one equation. Next, since b also lies minus 1 comma 1, so 1 is equal to a minus b plus c. Tell me. Right or not? Tell me. And c also lies. What is? No, c does not. See. D is 2 comma 7. Right. So substitute d 2 comma 7. 4a plus is equal to 7. Right. So there are 3 equations in 3 variables. Are you? You'll be able to solve these three equations simultaneously. Okay, you will get some values of a, b, and c. Tell me, what you people got a, b, and c on solving? I know you people are capable of solving these 3 equations simultaneously. Okay, a will be equal to 1, B is equal to 1, C is equal to 1, correct. Okay, so finally what is the quadratic? Y equal to x square plus x plus 1. So tell me Trina, does this equation has any root? What do you think by looking at it? Does this equation have any root? Tell me. Means x square plus x plus 1, will it ever cross x axis? Yes or no? Why? Why do you think so that it never crosses x axis or touches x axis?
Because
Let me see how many people joined this. Tell me. So anyways, try to understand. This is the quadratic. If you put it equal to 0, will it have any root? Why?
because
Discriminant is less than 0, right? What happened? Are you practicing at home? I mean, you are studying? Yes or no? Tell me. Okay. Next. So the quadratic will look somewhat like this, right? Everyone tell me. The quadratic will look somewhat like this. Okay. Next. What are the coordinates? A is equal to minus 2 by 3, 2 comma 3. X equal to 2, minus 2, y equal to 3. Hello, good evening Arjo, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Didn't send me your homework, what happened?
Sir, I was not in the class last day.
But I sent the recording. I sent the PDF also. What happened? I sent the recording, I sent the PDF. Did you go through the recording? Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, sir, I went to the recording you sent yesterday. No, today morning. The shortest distance one.
Okay. You have understood?
Yes, sir.
Then when did you see the recording?
Today morning, sir. You sent the recording today morning.
So you had whole day time. You didn't do the homework, see? These people not studying at home. Right, you had whole day time, isn't it? Tell me. A, B, and then there is C. C is a variable point over here, and there is D. Okay, D is over here. Okay, pay attention very carefully in this problem. What's the coordinates of D? Tell me, some coordinate is given to us. 2, comma 7. Right. X equal to 2, y equal to 7. Okay? And C is somewhere over here. It is lying somewhere over here, right, in between B and D. Right, Trina, are you getting? Okay, pay attention. Maybe C is somewhere over here. Maybe. I don't know. C is somewhere over here.
C has to be between B and D.
A, B, C, D. Couldn't open the door.
I was like, you were here, so you have
No.
shit hardly respond.
She didn't get
She only eats but doesn't have any strength. Okay, pay attention, everyone. Okay, this is the quadrilateral, right, everyone? Tell me. This is the quadrilateral we are talking about. A, B, C, D. So, Trina, over here, I need to find out the coordinates of C. If you notice that the area of this triangle is fixed, area of triangle ABD is fixed because these 3 points is fixed, right? Area of triangle ABD is fixed. You cannot change it. It's not possible, right? So for area of quadrilateral to be maximum, right? In the question it is written, area of quadrilateral is maximum. For area of quadrilateral is maximum, area of this triangle has to be maximum. Area of triangle BCD. Right, tell me. For area of quadrilateral to be maximum, area of triangle BCD should be maximum. Tell me, Trina, are you getting or not? Sure? Didn't understand. 1 second. Okay. Right, area of quadrilateral ABD is fixed. For area of triangle ABD is fixed. Area of quadrilateral ABCD to be maximum. Area of BCD to be should be maximum, right? If area of BCD is maximum, okay. Remember, BD is fixed. This distance should be maximum, right? Tell me. Okay. That means if you plot a tangent, if you draw a tangent at C, it should be parallel to BD. Yes or no? Can you understand up to this much? Tangent at C. So this is what I can conclude. For maximum area of BCD, for area of triangle BCD to be maximum, okay, for area of triangle BCD to be maximum, okay, slope at C should be equal to slope of BD, right? Tell me, are you getting? This is what I am going to apply. Okay, slope at C we can find out, right or not? Tell me, what is the parametric point? Parametric point will be alpha comma alpha square plus alpha plus 1, right? Tell me, this is the parametric point. So we can differentiate y equal to x square plus x. Okay, let us differentiate. Okay, dy by dx will be equal to slope of BD is y2 minus y1, 7 minus 1 divided by 2 minus of minus 1. Tell me, are you getting? Trina? Dy by dx at x equal to alpha. Okay, this implies dy by dx at x equal to alpha will be equal to how much? 2 alpha plus 1. Tell me, 2 alpha plus 1 should be equal to 6 by 3. That is 2. What is the value of alpha? Tell me. Quickly. I am getting alpha equal to half. Right. If alpha equal to half, so what is alpha square plus alpha plus 1? Tell me. 7 by 4? Yes or no? Therefore, coordinates of C should be equal to half comma 7 by 4. And is it clear, Trina? Yes or no? Good problem. This kind of questions you can get in means. See, Ritam, the area of the triangle, this should be maximum. Yes or no? Because this triangle has a variable area. This area of triangle is fixed. Yes or no?
That I did. I maximize the area.
Yes, so base is fixed. Height should be maximum, right?
Okay.
Yes or no? And what is that height? Height is the perpendicular. Normal, right? Common normal between the points. Yes, tell me.
How can you say like the tangent will be parallel to BD?
There are two straight lines on the plane. Right? They are parallel. Okay. What do you mean by common normal? Means a straight line which is perpendicular to both, isn't it? Are you getting? So if they both are perpendicular, that means these two lines are parallel. Yes or no? Co-interior angles sum up to 180 degree. Okay, next. So is it clear, Trina, this one? Next, number 4 was also interesting. I don't know what is the answer.
Sir, is that x1 square by 20 or just x1 by 20?
x1 square by 20. It will be a parabola. Yes or no? See, try to understand.
Sir, x2 should be 50.
This is given as x1 minus x2 whole square. Pay attention. If you notice, it is given as x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So if you compare, you will be able to understand that y square is equal to, we have to find out the minimum distance between a parabola and a semicircle. It's not a circle, it's a semicircle. Right, because square root is given to us. Is it clear? Tell me. Anyone having any doubt? So tell me, should I solve?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us solve. Okay. So you have understood. Now this I'm not going to write so much things. Okay. You have understood that one curve will be parabolic y equal to x square by 20 and other curve will be a semicircle. Achha, tell me, if this is a semicircle, what is the center of the semicircle? Very easy. Just look at it. 15. Yes or no? Tell me, what are the roots? And is it a concave upwards semicircle or concave downward semicircle? Look at it.
Upward.
Concave
This one.
So it is concave downwards, na, Ritam? You are saying concave upwards and you are showing concave downwards. Yes. Concave up is this? Yes or no? Okay. So let us start. Okay, I am going to draw the diagram. Okay, y equal to x square by 20. Will it pass to the origin? Tell me. y equal to x square by 20. Number 4. Y equal to x square by 20. Will it pass to the origin? Yes or no? Tell me. Okay. It will pass to the origin. And there is a semicircle with roots. What are the roots? Tell me. 17 and 13. Right. Somewhere over here. You have to find out the minimum distance. What condition we can apply for a parabola and a circle? Tell me. Line passing through the center. No, I mean the normal to the parabola will pass to the center of the circle. Tell me. Are you getting or not? Center is 15, 0. Remember. Center is 15, 0. Okay, 15, 0. Tell me, are you getting? Yes or no? Okay, so from here, this is the straight line. This is the shortest distance. Shortest distance. Abhijan, so late, what happened?
Jam.
Jam?
And the second was closed.
You come from Vidyasagara? Howrah? I thought you stay nearby. Okay, anyways, what is the derivative, everyone? Let us find out the slope of normal. Okay, everyone, what is the derivative? Okay, y equal to x square by 20. Okay, what is the derivative? dy by dx will be equal to x by 10, right? Tell me, everyone. So, what is the slope of normal?
Minus 10 by x.
Minus 10 by x. Okay, this point is, let us say, x comma x square by 20. Right, tell me, x comma x square by 20, I'm directly. Okay, so slope of normal is equal to minus 10 by x. This will be equal to slope in 2-point form. Let us write it. Now tell me, rest, I think you can do it. Over here you cannot find, tell me x. Tell me, 15 minus x, tell me. Can you not find x value from here? Should I leave it or should I come?
We'll leave it.
Oh, from here I'm telling you what answer you will get for x.
So what is the other one? It's
Over here x will be equal to, acha wait, it will become a cubic. Wait, I'm telling you. So cross multiply, or you can write 10 by x is equal to x square by 20 divided by 15 minus x. Okay, cross multiplying will get 150 minus 10x. This will be equal to x cube by 20. Tell me, are you getting? This implies x cube by x cube. This will be equal to 200x minus 3000, right? Tell me, 200x minus 3000. A cubic. Okay.
I got somewhere in cubic. I got t cube plus 2t plus 3.
Oh, wait. X cube is equal to 3000 minus 2000. 2000x, right? From here it is clearly seen that x equal to 10. 200x. Oh yes, wait. 200x, yes. It can be clearly seen that x will be equal to 10. This implies x equal to 10 by hit and trial.
Yes.
Okay. After that you can solve. Right. 10 comma 10 square by 20. Then you find out the distance formula. Okay. Find it out using distance formula. Next, another problem. Number 5, minimum value. Minimum is, I guess, let me see. Minimum is root 2. What you people got?
So minimum is root 2 by 3 and maximum is root 2.
Yes. Minimum is root 2 by 3. Right, tell me everyone. Minimum is root over 2 by 3 and maximum is root 2. Acha, in the previous one, minimum value, how much you people got? 54 minus 20 root 2. Tell me what? 54 minus 20 root 2. Okay, so Shashwata, you solve, we'll get this answer. I'm telling you.
So can you show
Number 3 what?
Solution.
Solution. I've done it over here. Should I explain? See over here, you can draw the graph of this parabola, right or not? After drawing the graph of this parabola, can you understand that point A, B and D are fixed? Right, that means area of triangle ABD is fixed. What is variable? This area is variable, right?
Yes.
If this area is variable, BD is fixed. The height should be maximum, right?
Yes.
So that means tangent at C should be equal to the slope of, slope of tangent at C should be equal to the slope of BD. Done. Have you understood? I've written same thing I have applied. Okay, next number 6. Number 6, the answer is given as 2 root 2 minus 1. Check.
Yes. Root 2 minus.
Very easy. Again, circle and a parabola is given. See, it came in JEE Mains also, 2025. Very easy. Right? Tell me. Next one came in Advanced 2019 paper 2. The answer is A, B and D. Anyone having any doubt, tell me. This one. Yes. Who asked? Anyone online?
Sir, can you solve this?
Okay, let us solve. Okay. It is given f of x equal to sine pi x by x square. Okay, everyone? Pay attention. How to solve this problem. F of x is equal to sine pi x by, divided by, the whole thing is divided by x square, right? Okay, for x greater than 0. For x is greater than 0. Okay. Now what do we need to apply? We need to differentiate to find out maximum minima. Right. Let us apply f dash x will be equal to, tell me, x square into sine pi x. What is the differentiation of sine pi x? Pi cos pi x. Right, tell me. Minus sine pi x into 2x. Right, tell me. Divided by x cube.
X to the 4.
Oh, sorry, x to the power 4. So 1x, and 1 gets cancelled. Can you people understand? Tell me. What are we getting? From here, something can be taken common. Right, I think we can take cos pi x also common. We can take pi. Okay, so let us take cos pi x common. Cos pi x common. What do we get? And cos pi x divided by x cube. I am taking cos pi x by x cube common. Okay, within brackets, what are we getting? Let me see. Pi x minus 2 tan x, 2 tan pi x. Right, tell me everyone, are people getting pi x minus 2 tan pi x? Check it properly. Are people getting? Yes or no? So over here, tell me, cos pi x is equal to 0 at how many points? Infinitely many points. So you'll get infinitely many extremums. And same thing, tan pi x will be equal to 2 tan pi x will be equal to pi x at how many points? At infinitely many points. Right. Basically, if you take 2 more common, okay, you are getting half into cos pi x by x cube into pi x by, sorry, not half, 2 common, pi x by 2 minus tan pi x. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt? Okay. I'm going to draw the graph of this expression. Okay, to understand the change of sign. Now remember, dy by dx, if it changes its sign from negative to positive, we'll get a maximum or minima? From negative. Minima. If it is changes from positive to negative, we'll get maximum. Remember, this is what we have to remember in this question. Okay, Shrita, are you getting? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, can someone tell me the period of tan pi x? Tell me. Raise your hand. What is the period of tan pi x? Yes, tell me.
1.
Yes, correct only. What happened?
Well, looking
No,
like
one.
that.
One only two. Acha, tell me. At what value of x it will reach infinity? Tell me. At half, right or not? So see, we need to draw the graph of tan x in the interval. We need to draw the graph of tan x in the interval half. Now see, its period is 1. Then it will be 3 by 2. Tell me, are people getting? Half, then 3 by 2, then 5 by 2. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Then dot 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 dot, it goes on like this. Okay, I think only this much interval I'll take, will get the answer sufficiently. Okay, 7 by 2. Okay, so between 0 and half, this is how the graph is going to look like. Pay attention. Those who are online, are people getting? Yes or no? Shrita, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Tell me. Okay, this is the graph of tan x from 0 to half, tan pi x from 0 to half. Pay attention. Okay, this was one of the toughest problem I remember in 2019. Okay, there was another problem. Anyways, pay attention.
Sir, for solving AOD questions, do we have to like know basic integration identities also?
I have done it, right? Basic integration.
Sir, only you will know.
UV rule?
How many, sir?
Yes. Wait, let me plot the graph. Let me solve this problem, then I'll answer your question. Tell me up to this much. It's fine, I guess. Okay. So I've drawn the graph. Okay, this is how the graph is going to look like. Okay, is it clear to everyone? Okay. Next, I'll find out the points of. I find out the critical points. Okay. But see, tan pi x is equal to pi x by 2. Okay, you cannot solve this equation. Okay. Try to understand.
Draw the graph.
Pi x by 2, you cannot solve this equation. See, on the left, on one side you have pi x by 2. Okay, means 3.14 into x means one side it is algebraic and other side it is transcendental. Try to understand. You cannot solve this equation. Okay, but you can find out approximately like what will be the value. From where will the value lie or something. Okay, pay attention. Now y equal to pi x by 2. Y equal to pi x by 2 will look somewhat like this. Pay attention. Yes or no? Tell me everyone. This is the straight line y equal to pi x by 2. Yes or no? Okay. Next. Everyone pay attention. So I have started, I have got one critical point over here. Now we need to understand whether it is maxima or minima. I've got another critical point over here. Again, we need to understand whether it is maxima or minima. I've got another critical point over here. We need to understand whether it is maxima or minima. Okay, let us understand. Okay. Okay, one thing I need to ensure once. Okay. Okay, when you differentiate it once more, pi x by 2 and tan pi x. Okay, what are we getting? Pi sec square when you differentiate it, pi 6 square pi x, wait a minute, it will be pi by 2 minus pi 6 square pi x, right? Tell me. Right. At x equal to 0 plus, pay attention. At x equal to 0 plus, this will be pi plus, right? Tell me. At x equal to 0 plus, it will be pi plus minus pi by 2. Are you getting? So can you people understand that the slope of this tangent, at slope of this slope of any tangent lying on the first branch, okay, you might be wondering why the straight line does not intersect this branch also, right? It can happen that it can intersect this branch, but try to understand. When we differentiate it once more, pi by 2 minus pi 6 square pi x, okay, the slope of this, the slope of any tangent on this tan pi x, okay, is strictly greater than slope of any tangent on pi x by 2. Are you getting? D by dx of pi x by 2 will become x, sorry, pi by 2, okay, and d by dx of pi 6 tan pi x will become pi 6 square pi x, okay. When we substitute x equal to 0 plus on the right hand side, we have to check 0 plus, what are we getting? 0 into pi. So it is 1 plus, right? 1 plus into pi. So it is pi plus. Can you understand that the slope of tangent at any point in the first branch of tan pi x will be greater than pi x by 2? Tell me. Is it clear? So my graph is justified.
So
Okay.
also like tan x is always greater than y equals to x.
Y equal to x, but over here it was pi x by 2. That's why I showed it.
No, it will be y equals to x by 2 now. So y equals to x by 2 is also lower than y equals to x.
Y equal to x by 2. Pi x by 2 it is given. Now pi by 2 is what? What is pi by 2? Pi by 2 is 1.57x. Are you getting? So 1.57x is a slightly, I mean, if this is the line y equal to x, pay attention. Then this might be the line y equal to 1.57x. And I just showed you that y equal to 1.57x will also not intersect the first branch.
If we see pi x as y, then it has to say it's tan y is always greater than y. Y by 2.
Yes, this can also be a good method. Anyways. Next, let us focus on the problem. Okay, so see everyone, this is how the graph will look like. Now let us look at the first critical point. Okay, it is important to understand the first critical point. The first critical point is over here. We need to understand whether it is maxima, minima, what is it. Okay. Now, pay attention. This is half. Okay. This is half. And when you substitute half, this is pi by 2, right? And this is pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2. So, acha, wait, this is pi, right?
Yes.
I mean, this is 1. Can you understand? 1. So, this point lies between 1 and 3 by 2. Can you people understand? Tell me, Shrita, are you getting? This point lies between 1 and 3 by 2. So, cos pi x, from where does it lies? It will lie, I mean, pi x lies between pi and 3 pi by 2. Between pi and 3 pi by 2, cos is positive or negative? Tell me. Cos is negative, right? So see, for the first point, I'm talking only about the first point. For the first point, this is negative. Tell me, are people getting? Yes or no? This is negative. Next, pi x by 2 minus 10 pi x. If you move from left to right, it is changing its sign from negative to positive. Tell me, are you people getting? Yes or no? Okay, negative into changing its sign from negative to positive. That means dy by dx will change its sign from positive to negative. Are you people getting? Tell me, did you people understand for the first critical point what will happen? Tell
Sir,
me.
can you please say this once again?
Okay, pay attention everyone. This is f dash x. Pay attention. For the first critical point only we are discussing, okay? If you understand for the first critical point, you will be able to understand for the rest of them as well. For the first critical point, can you understand that this is 1 to 3 by 2, pi x is the angle in the third quadrant, right? Pi to 3 pi by 2. In pi to 3 pi by 2, cos pi x is positive or negative? Tell me, Shrita. Negative? Cos pi x is negative?
Negative.
Okay, for the first critical point. Okay. Next, pi x by 2 minus tan pi x. Okay. See, from left to right, tan pi x is below, right? Tell me. Ajay, wait a minute. Tan pi x is below, right? And pi x by 2 is above. Oh, achha, yes. So the sign will be from positive to negative. Positive to negative. Sorry. Will be from positive to negative. Tell me. Did you understand? Tell me.
Still, can you say this?
Okay. See, when you move from left to right at this point, when you move from left to right, can you see that tan pi x is below and pi x by 2 is above? So pi x by 2 minus tan pi x will be positive on the left hand side of this point and it will be negative on the right hand side of this point. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting? So the graph, dy by dx changes from, this particular factor changes from positive to negative around the first point. Tell me, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but it is negative. We have to multiply by negative also, right? So whole f dash x, this implies f dash x changes from negative to positive. If f dash x changes from negative to positive, the first critical point is minima or maxima? Minima. Are you people getting? Tell me, yes or no? Acha, over here, yi's are minima or xi's are minima? Minimas are? Yi's are minima. Okay, so the first point is y1. Are you people getting? Yes or no? Interesting problem. See, without finding the critical point, you just need to determine the sign change of dy by dx. Next, everyone pay attention. In the second one, see, can you people understand that this point will be 2, right? 2 to 5 by 2, that means angle will lie in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant, cos pi x is positive, right? If cos pi x is positive, then dy by dx will change its sign from positive to negative now. So this is x1. Can you people understand? This point is x1. Tell me, Shweta, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Others are getting? Tell me. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. This is x1. Okay. Tell me, Sohan, are you getting? Sohan, Soham, Shovankit,
Yes,
are
sir.
people getting? Arjo, Anvesha, Adrija, are people getting?
Yes, sir.
This will be again y2. Can you people understand? Alternately, it will be y1, x1, y2, x2.
Yes.
This will be y2 and so on. It keeps on going. Tell me, you people understood? Now let us look at the option. Tinan, is it clear? Abhigyan?
Yes.
So you people can understand that x1 is of course greater than y1. Option C is discarded. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, xn belongs to 2n comma 2n plus half. Okay.
This is correct.
Belongs to 2n comma 2n plus half. Let's see.
There it is positive. Cos x is positive.
2n comma 2n plus half. Excise. Yes. Oh yes sir. Yes. See. 2n comma 2n plus half means 2 comma 5 by 2. Then it will be, where will it lie next? 4 comma 9 by 2. Right. So option
Yes.
D is correct. Okay. So I marked it. Option D is correct. Next, we need to find out the difference between xn and yn. Okay. Pay attention, everyone. Pay attention. Just look at the graph. Pay attention. Are you people able to see that the difference between 3 by 2 and y1 is greater than the difference between 5 by 2 and x1? Yes or no? Look at it very carefully. The difference between 3 by 2 and y1 is greater than the difference between 5 by 2 and y1. x1. Okay. So as we go from left to right, okay, the distance between the nearest asymptote decreases, right? Tell me. So can I say, everyone, that 3 by 2 minus y1 is greater than 5 by 2 minus x1? Tell me. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me in this step. Okay? And consecutively it will happen. It will keep on going between the consecutive points.
Can we say y1 greater than y1 lesser than x1 by
by without seeing the graph.
Over here, we cannot solve the equation now, so that's why we have to take the help of the graph. So over here, what is x1 minus y1? Are we getting x1 minus y1 greater than 1? Tell me. So option A is also correct. Yes or no? Every time it will happen consecutively. Next. x1 minus y1 is equal to 1. Okay. Next. We need to, is there any other option? xn plus 1 and xn. No. Done. And x2 minus what is the nearest point? y2. x2 minus y2 is again greater than 1, right? x2 minus y2 is greater than 1. y2 minus y1 is also greater than 1, right? It will always happen, yes or no? When you add, what are we getting? Are we getting x1 minus y1 greater than 2?
x2
Yes,
minus y1.
x2 minus oh yes. No, wait, y2 minus x1.
Oh, yes.
Okay. Wait. I've written it incorrectly. Tell me, are you people getting? Yes or no? Check it properly. These are all consecutive points. x1, y1, x2, y2. I mean y1, x1, y2, y2, x2, y3, x3. These are consecutive points. So difference between consecutive points is greater than 1. Yes or no? x2 minus y2 is greater than 1. Right? y2 minus, sorry, this should be x1. x1. My bad. y2 minus x1 is greater than 1. Yes or no? When you add y2 will get cancelled. You will get x2 minus x1 is greater than 2. Tell me, are you getting? Is it clear, Ritam? Okay. Similarly, x4 minus x2 will be greater than 2. x3 minus x1 will be greater than 2. x3 minus x.
I think it will be y1. It will be positive y1.
x1 is getting cancelled.
Yes.
These two, after adding these two.
No.
No. I'm not adding this one. This is the answer of option B. Okay, this is another option. This I proved that the difference between their different distance between the consecutive points is greater than 1. This is another. I mean, proving option B. Are you getting? So you people understood option A, B, and D are correct. Tell me, is it clear, everyone? Oipsha, Agniba, Agnimitra, is it clear? Anvesha, Arjo, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So,
We can realize that for every time it will shift a little towards.
Yes, shift a little towards the asymptote.
Sir, in question wrong in middle paper, how will we? I mean, is there a confirmative test?
Confirmative test.
Drawing on this
Why vertical? See, you need to realize that the vertical distance is increasing. As the vertical distance increases, okay, tan x is getting closer to its asymptote. Okay, so of course the points will be getting closer to the asymptote. Are getting distance will be closer. Tell me, Socroit, is it clear? Socroit, Samragni, Rishabh,
Yes,
Pratyay,
sir.
Madhurjo. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt? Rasheshwari, is it clear? Ronak?
Yes, sir.
Shamali? Swapnil, is it clear? Over here, everyone understood? Shania? Okay, next. Let us continue, everyone. Okay?
So can you scroll down to the answer also?
Sheeta, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, last day we had done polar coordinates, everyone. Okay. Next, today we are going to start with points of inflection.
Sir, can you show the graph once?
Yes.
Sir, other than the parts of the integration by parts, do we need to make any memorize any formula for integration?
Not for basic standard integrals and that one by parts and I mean partial fraction. Partial fraction, I have done it, right? Points of inflection.
Sir, when
What?
have you done partial fraction?
In basic maths?
Oh,
Oh, you were not there.
no, I joined in trigonometry.
Points of inflection. So join on one of the Fridays and I'll discuss. Okay. Point where function is continuous. Point where the function is continuous. Point where the function is continuous and has a tangent line and has a tangent line and where the concavity changes. Okay, remember, earlier also I had taught in this chapter that the concavity of the graph will change and where the concavity changes. Concavity of the graph changes. Okay, at point of inflection, y double dash will be equal to 0 and changes sign. Y double dash will be equal to 0 and changes sign. Or y double dash fails to exist. Fails to exist. Even if y double dash fails to exist, okay, around y double dash, okay, around that point, okay, y double dash will change its sign, even if it fails to exist. Okay, remember, changing sign will be there. Okay. Next.
So what do you mean by around that point?
Around that point means, for example, a plus and a minus.
Acha, means in the neighborhood of that point, like a plus h, a minus h.
Exactly. Like for example, see y equal to x to the power 1 by 3. Tell me, over here the derivative will exist at x equal to 0?
No, sir. But it will, I will be able to find the limit in the neighborhood of this.
Neighborhood, yes. Left hand side of 0 and right hand side of 0. It will change its sign. Okay, next. At point of inflection. At point of inflection. We'll get extrema of f dash x. Okay, everyone, at point of inflection we'll get extrema of f dash x. Okay, either maxima or minima. Next, at point of inflection, tangent crosses curve. Okay, tangent crosses curve.
If we take x2, then you don't take an extrema and extrema.
I'm talking about y dash, not y double dash. See, I've written at point of inflection f dash x. Check it for f dash x, it will happen. X cube 3x square, point of minima. Okay. Next, note point of inflection. And extrema can't be at the same point. Of course, it cannot be at the same point because once the concavity changes, okay, if the function is increasing, it will keep increasing. If the function is decreasing, it will keep decreasing, right? At point of inflection, point of inflection and extrema can't be at one point, can't be at the same point. Okay, everyone. As y double dash at point of inflection is 0 or not defined. By y double dash at extrema. at extrema not equal to 0. Okay, let's just see y double dash greater than 0. What does it means? Concave, up, what, down? What happened, Avigyan?
I actually
We have done this so many times. And this is concave, down.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
sir, what does that mean? By y double dash at extrema not equal to 0?
At extrema, which is non-zero. Okay, it means that point of inflection and extrema can't be at the same point as y double dash at point of inflection. Pay attention. Y double dash at point of inflection is 0 or not defined.
Yes. But extrema is but.
Oh, wait. It should be but, sorry. Wait, let me see. Let me read it once again. Point of inflection and extrema can't be at same point. Y double dash at point of inflection is 0 or not defined. It should be but y double dash at extrema is not equal to 0. Yes, at extremum, so it is not equal to 0. Right. Tell me, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, wait a minute. For y equal to x to the power 4, y equal to x to the power 4, y double dash will be equal to 12x square. Y double dash at x equal to 0 will be equal to 0, but still we are getting the point of minima. But over there we are not getting a point of inflection. Okay, so actually this statement is in this context. Okay, understood? This statement is in this context, not for every curve. Okay. Next, question number 1. Check whether the functions. Yes, tell me.
So you said that y dash at y dash will at extrema will not be equals to 0 for this context. By this context, you mean what context?
Means I'm talking wherever the point of inflection will exist. Okay, I'm talking about that.
Okay.
Okay, means for example, there is a graph where you have got a point of point of inflection and you have also got a point of extrema. Are you getting? So at point of extrema, y double dash will be not equal to 0, but at the point of inflection, y double dash x will be equal to 0. Are you getting?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So got it.
Pay attention.
So then from the note we should omit that part or not defined.
Copy it.
I meant from the note we should omit that part or not defined because you said it will only happen when it is defined.
Which one? This one? 0 or not defined?
Yes, sir.
Why? Cannot understand. It can happen that it's not defined.
For the context of when the function.
Okay, check whether the functions y equal to x to the power 1 by 3, y equal to x to the power 1 by 5, y equal to x cube, and y equal to x to the power 4 has inflection. At x equal to 0 or not. Okay, you have to just mention whether it has or it does not has. Okay. Okay, once you have done it, send your answers, everyone. Which one will have? Okay, Agnimitra, check your answer again. Yes, Adrija, right answer. Yes, Sakrit, right answer.
So can you allow me to rejoin the meeting just after 5 minutes? I'll rejoin within 5 minutes.
Shashwata, your answer is correct. Correct.
Sir, video was today's next.
Okay, everyone, I'll modify this statement. Okay, everyone. No, check it again. Correct. Okay, everyone, pay attention. Over here, y equal to x to the power 1 by 3. Pay attention. How to check whether the function has local, point of inflection or not. Okay. So everyone, what is y dash? Y dash will be equal to, tell me, 1 by 3 into x to the power 2 by 3, right? Tell me. Into x to the power 2 by 3. Next, what is y double dash? Y double dash will be equal to 1 by 3 into minus 2 by 3 into x to the power minus 2 by 3 minus 1, so how much? 5 by 3. Right, tell me, are you people getting? This will give us how much? Minus 2 by 9 x to the power 5 by 3. Tell me, are you people getting? Yes or no? No, at x equal to 0, does y double dash exist? Tell me. Over here, y double dash is not defined at x equal to 0. Y double dash is not defined at x equal to 0. Okay, so we need to check for x equal to 0 plus and x equal to 0 minus, right? But what is y dash at 0 plus? Tell me, everyone. What is y dash at 0 plus? Tell me. Is minus infinity? And what is y dash at 0 minus? Plus infinity. Right. So see, y dash, y double dash. So y double dash is changing its sign around 0. Okay, this implies there exists a point of inflection. There exists a point of inflection. Tell me, are you people getting yes or no? Inflection. Okay, next. This is part 1. Next, we are talking about y equal to x to the power 1 by 5. Over here also same thing. You do it, we'll get the same thing. Okay. Oh, you are making some mistake. Number 2 also will get the same thing, everyone. Okay. Tell me, if you want me to solve, I'll solve it. We'll get the same thing. Just differentiate twice. Y double dash at 0 plus and y double dash at 0 minus. Okay. Same as part 1. Okay.
So can I check my answer? I have friends.
Achha. Wait, I'm checking. Everyone, let me see. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Okay.
Sir,
What? Now it is correct. Okay, let me see. Yes, Shamili, check your answer again. But Shamili, these are correct. but you have to write all. Rasheshwari, your answers is correct. Okay, Agnimitra, check your answer again. This is for all the functions. Tell me, whatever you wrote. Hello, Agnimitra, can you hear me? Is this for all the functions? Okay, Rishabh.
No, sir, for the first two.
For the first two. What about the third one? Third one is y equal to x cube. Let's see what will happen for y equal to x cube. Okay, so Agnimitra, see over here y equal to x cube. Y double dash will be equal to 6x, right? So y double dash at x equal to 0 will be equal to 0. And what is y double dash? So now see, y double dash x is equal to 0. Now tell me, y double dash at x equal to 0 plus what will happen? Positive. Right, tell me. Agnimitra, are you getting? And y
Yes,
double
sir.
dash at x equal to 0 minus will be negative. So see, it is changing its sign. So hence we'll get a
Yes.
point of inflection. Hence, there exists a point of inflection. There exists a point of inflection at x equal to 0. And how will the graph of y equal to x cube looks like? We have done this, right? Tell me everyone. The graph of y equal to x cube. See, the concavity changes. Tell me. Before x equal to 0, the graph is concave down. And after x equal to 0, graph is concave up. Is it clear to everyone? Yes, Rishabh, your answer is correct. Let me see. Samragni, your answer is correct. Soham cannot understand what you wrote.
Actually, for the last function.
Yes. Soham cannot understand, like write the answer properly, cannot understand. Okay. Swapnil, your answer is correct. And Agriba, yes, Agniba, your answer is correct.
Sir,
Sohan,
did you give the second question?
no, is this the answer of fourth one, Sohan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Soham, your answer is correct. Sohan, your answer. So y equal to x to the power 4, there exists no point of inflection. Okay, so I'm not doing it. You can understand. For the fourth one, y equal to x to the power 4, y double dash will be equal to 4x square, right? Tell me everyone. Sign does not changes. Even if it is equal to 0, sign does not changes. 12x square. My bad. 12x square. Okay. Therefore, it does not have any point of inflection. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Have any point of inflection? So this statement I am modifying. Okay, everyone. This statement I am modifying. Okay. Pay attention. A point of inflection and extrema can't be at the same point. Okay. And y double dash at point of inflection will be equal to 0. Okay. Y double dash at point of inflection will be equal to 0. And y double dash at extrema is not equal to 0. Wait a minute. Over here I am modifying. Y double dash at y dash will be equal to dash at extrema is not equal to 0. Wait. Achha, leave this out. Okay. It is not defined.
That is correct only. Yes.
What?
Yes, y double prime is not equal to 0 at its
What about y equal to x to the power 4? Does not have a point, but at extrema, double derivative is equal to 0.
This is for only this case.
Wait.
When there exists an inflection.
When there is a point of inflection. Then we can state that.
Pay attention. See, this is the graph. Okay. This is a graph of a function. Tell me. Right or not? Tell me. What is y double dash at x equal to 0 in this case? It is equal to 0, right? It can be 0. But still, over here we are getting a maxima and minima. Okay. Are you getting? We are getting a point of inflection also. See, over here the concavity changes. Are you getting my point? Okay. So wait, let me modify that statement and then I am writing it down. Okay. Currently don't write that part. Okay. Next. Question number 2. Okay, try this out. Question number 2. If y double dash is equal to x minus 1 whole to the power 2025 into x minus 2 whole to the power 2026 into x minus 3 whole to the power 2027 into x plus 1 whole to the power 2029, okay, multiplied by 10 to the power x minus 10 to the power 4 whole to the power 7.
That is x plus 1.
Which one? X plus 1, sorry. X plus 1 whole to the power 2029. Okay. Find the points of inflection. Find the points of inflection of y equal to f of x. Find the points. The number of points. Find the points of inflection. Done, everyone? Oh, yes. Okay. It's very easy, everyone. Quickly solve. After this, yes, JEE right answer. Check it again. Oh, no, you show Ankit. Question number 3. Sketch the curve. Sketch the curve y equal to x to the power 4 minus 4x cube plus 10. Quickly solve. Correct. 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 Let me see. Yes, Shrita right answer. Dashashwari right answer. Rishabh right answer. Adrija right answer. Swapnil, your answer is correct. Okay, let me start. Yes. Soham, no, who is this? Anvesha right answer. Shamli right answer. Ahir, your answer is correct. Check it again. Oipsha, check your answer again. Samragni right answer. Sohan right answer. Okay. So we need to just check, show which one is the answer. Okay, we need to just check around which point y double dash changes its sign. What do we need to do? We need to draw wavy curve. Let us draw a wavy curve, everyone. Over here, what are the critical points? I am just writing the critical points. Critical points are 1, 2, 3, minus 1 and 4, right? We will just check the change in sign. Minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now it. Oh wait, making a mistake. So everyone, from where the graph will come? Okay. See, we need to take any point which is less than the lowest critical point, that is -1. See, this is negative. This is negative. This is positive. Negative, positive, negative, negative, and this one will be negative, right? So how will the graph come? The graph will come from the positive side. After -1, it will go. It will pass through it. Now 1 is a simple point or a double point? Simple point. 2 is simple or double? Tell me. Everyone. 2 is double. 3 is simple or double? 4 is simple or double? This is how the wavy curve will look like, right? So see, f double dash x changes its sign around -1, 1, 3 and 4. So these are the points of inflection. Done. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Sketch the curve. Question number 3. Try it out. Let me see.
Sir, I actually forgot to check the 0 plus and 0 minus.
Just draw the wavy curve.
Yeah.
Done. Okay, should I start? Let us start. I've done it. Yes, you're almost correct. Let me see. No. I mean, that's not the exact graph. Exact means I'm telling you what. Once I draw the graph, you'll understand why I'm telling you wrong.
How much is this capacity?
Huh?
How much have I deleted?
Little bit, you missed one point. Yes, you are correct. So only, I guess. Let me see. Almost correct. You can say. Almost, huh? No. Check it again. Oh, I understood. Where is the mistake? Okay, Swapnil, check your answer again. Yes, Rashishwari, your answer is Rashishwari. I think there is a slight mistake, but more or less it is correct. There's one point I think you might be missing. Okay, so Shamli, I needed the graph of the curve x to the power 4 minus 4x cube plus 10. You have just drawn wavy curve.
Okay,
So
sir.
let us start, everyone. Pay attention. Okay?
Give a little time.
Little bit more time. Almost correct, but there's one thing you're missing.
Like then
Like Rhythm, you can see. One thing you missed. Try to sketch the curve. Small mistake is there. Okay, means you have also missed one thing. Okay, let me start, everyone. Okay. y equal to x to the power 4 minus 4x cube plus 10. Okay, everyone, let us start. So over here, y dash will be equal to, tell me, what will be y dash? This is number 3. What is y dash? Tell me, everyone. Y dash will be equal to 4x cube minus 12x square, right? Okay, let us find out the critical points. Where will you get maxima, minima, or maybe point of inflection? I think you are almost correct. But there is one thing you are missing. What you are missing, you will understand from my graph. Okay. Almost correct. Let me show you one. Okay, wait. I'll show you. So over here, what are the points of?
Could you once check?
Wait, I'm checking. 4x square common, x minus 1 equal to 0. So what are we getting, everyone? Oh, sorry. X minus 3. X minus 3 equal to 0. Tell me, are people getting? Wait, let me see. I've given the correct question, right? Okay. So there are 2 points that we need to look at. So there's one thing you are missing, Soham. Pratyay also. Achha, let us find out.
Is my graph between 2 and 3 though?
Wait. Put x equal to 0. Let me draw the curve, everyone. Putting x equal to 0. What is the value of y? Tell me.
J. Oh, y dash.
I'm talking about y. Okay, everyone. Now we'll check for the change in sign. Okay, everyone. Over here, let us check for the change in sign. Okay. In y dash. Okay. So everyone, can you people understand? First of all, see, the graph will come from minus infinity, right? From infinity, at minus infinity it will be infinity only.
Yes.
Y at minus infinity it will be equal to infinity, right? Y at positive infinity will also be equal to infinity. You people can understand? Next. So at 0 and 3, okay. See, pay attention, everyone. At x equal to 0, how will the graph look like? The graph will look somewhat like this. It will come from the negative side. I am drawing the graph of f dash x. Okay, I mean, not the graph, actually wavy curve. Okay, everyone, this is how it is going to look like. So around which it is changing its sign? Around 3. So around 3, after 3, the graph will start increasing. Before 3, the graph is decreasing. Are you people able to understand? Okay. At 0 also, it will become 0. For some time it will become 0. Then again it will start decreasing. Are you getting? So there are high chances that at x equal to 0, we might get a point of inflection. There are high chances.
Yes, there is point of inflection.
So y double dash, now let us check for points of inflection. Y double dash will be equal to what? Tell me. 12x square minus 24x, right? Tell me. So from here, 12 common, what do we get? X square minus 2. Right, tell me, everyone. Yes or no?
Yes, sir, you can take x common.
You can take x common. Oh, wait. I'm making a mistake. 12x square minus 24x. So from here, x common. Yes, so at x equal to 0, I think we'll get a point of inflection. So at x, and then 12, we'll get x minus 2, right? Okay. So you see, everyone, I'm drawing the change in sign for f double dash. This is 0, this is 2. Okay, can you people understand? Before 0, it is negative. After 0, it is positive. Oh, sorry. Before 0, it is positive. After 0, negative. After 2, it is positive. Right. So f double dash x is greater than 0. Before 0, that means the graph is concave up. Before 0, you have to draw concave up graph. So let us draw. Then it will be concave down, right? Are you people able to understand? Those who are online? Before x equal to 0, the graph is concave up. After x equal to 0, the graph is concave down. Up to 2. Okay, at x equal to 2, let us find out the value. Okay. So tell me, f of 2 is equal to how much? Minus 6. Okay. So it will go down like this. After 2, after 2 also the concavity changes, right? But the graph is still decreasing. Right, the graph is still decreasing. The graph is still decreasing. Like this. Okay? And after 3, it starts increasing. Right? Tell me.
Concave up also.
At x equal to 2.
No, concave down.
So, at x equal to 2, wait, did I change the concavity? The concavity changes at x equal to 2. So, this is point, x equal to 0.
There are 2 comma minus 6 and the concavity changes, and at 3 comma minus 17 the graph returns minimum.
The graph will go up, right?
3 comma minus 17 is the point of minimum, so after that the graph will go up.
Yes. This is how the graph should look like. Wait. So there are 2 points of inflection. Wait, let me see. At x equal to 0 and at x equal to 2. Tell me, are people getting? Wait, one thing. Wait. One thing I cannot understand at x equal to 2. Wait. In this portion only there is a mistake, I guess. Let me see. The graph will go down. Okay. Up to 2 it is concave down. Right. After 2 it should be concave up. But 3 only. So it is okay only. Yes, it is changing. Okay. Can you understand? It is changing. Up to 2 it is concave down. Can you understand? See. Up to 2 it is concave down. After 2 it is concave up. Okay, but still decreasing. After 3 it will go up. This is how the graph should look like. Tell me, is it clear, Ritam? Tell me. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Tell me, those who are online, everyone understood how I drew the graph? Tell me. Okay, let us check. Let us verify. Just tell me, what is the range? Anyone raise your hand, tell me what is the range? Yes, tell me, Shashwato.
Then minus 17 to infinity.
Minus 17 to infinity. Tell me. Yes. Let us check whether this is the graph. Okay, I think this should be the graph. Okay. X cube, no, x to the power 4 minus 4x cube plus 10, right? Tell me. Yes, so see, we are getting the same graph. Are you able to see? At x equal to 0, concavity changes. At x equal to 2 also the concavity changes, but it is not, it's not properly visible, but it changes. Okay. See, it is decreasing. Over here somewhere it changes. Okay. Is it clear to everyone? Tell me, over here somewhere it changes. Next, let us continue, everyone. Graph of Tell me, those who are online, is it clear? Have you people understood how I drew the graph? Tell me, Agriba, Adrija, Pratyay,
Yes, sir.
Rishabh, Tom,
Yes, sir.
or
Yes, sir.
Swapnil, Shashi, is it clear? Shashi, Shujita, Agnimitra, is it clear? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question number 4. Okay, everyone. Another graph I am going to show you. Okay. Okay, let me see. This is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the graph of f dash x. Graph of f dash x is given. graph of f dash x is given. Okay, 6. This is 7. Okay, some more points are there. Shania, did you understand the previous one?
Yes.
Trina, did you understand?
Yes.
Okay, 7. This is 8. Next one is 9. Okay. You see, this is 10. Okay. After this, it looks somewhat like this. Okay. This is 11 and this is 12. Okay, this is the graph of f dash x. Okay, everyone? Remember. Point part 1. What tell me? No. Graph of f dash x is given. See, I have written it. Graph of f dash x. This is the graph of f dash x, not f of x. Remember. Okay, fine. Okay, wait. I'm posting the questions. Okay, there are 4 parts. Okay, send me the answer of all 4 parts at once, or at least 2 at a time. So everyone, there are 4 subparts. So okay, send me at least 2 of the answers at once. Okay, solve. Are you people able to see the full question? Okay, solve.
Yes, sir.
Quickly solve. Okay, let me see. Some people have got the answer. Okay, let me see.
And us two.
What?
First two is done.
Solve what?
Solve.
Okay, Rishabh. Rishabh, where it is increasing, where it is decreasing. You didn't write part 1. You have to mention, right? Part 2 is correct. But mention everything. It would be easier for me to check. Yes, Soham part 1 and 2 are correct. Swapnil, the graph is given from 0. You see, although increasing is correct, decreasing will also be correct. But remember, the graph is given from 0, not from negative infinity.
Yes, sir, my bad.
Sir, 1, 2,
Yes, Swapnil, part 2 is correct. Wait, I'm checking. One by one, I'm checking. Solve all. Those who are over here, solve all. Okay, Abhipsha, check part 1. Part 1, think properly. Part 1, check it. Abhipsha, how can a point be maxima and minima both at the same time? See? Oh, acha, no. Now it is correct. Didn't see the last message. Adrija, yes, your answers are correct. Yes, Adrija, your answers are correct. Let me see. Agnimitra, you are making a mistake in part 1, 2. Points of inflection are correct. Okay, Rishabh. Yes, Rishabh, now it is correct. Rishabh, part 4 is also correct. Agnimitra, check your answer again. Remember, the function increases if f dash x is greater than 0. Okay. Madhurjo, remember the graph is given up to infinity. Decreasing is correct. Rasheshwari, part 1 is correct. Part 2 is also correct. Part 3 is also correct. Part 4 is also correct. Okay. Vaibsha, your answer number 4 is correct. Ahir,
Sir,
part
it's
1
wrong.
is
Sir, isn't it wrong? Part 1?
part 1. Wait, part 1 is
Yes, sir.
match. Part 1 is, wait a minute. This is the graph of f dash x given. So which one is increasing, which one is decreasing? You didn't mention. Mention it.
Yes, sir.
Sure, local minima maxima is correct. Over here, show. Part 2 is correct. Part 1 is correct. Part 3 is correct. Part 4 is correct. Part 2 is not correct. Part 1 is correct. Here, part 3 and 4 also. Part 1 is correct. Part 2 is correct. Part 3 is correct. It does not matter. Because at a single point it does not matter. I had mentioned that IT will never confuse you between close brackets and open brackets for the increasing decreasing. So maximum minimum is not correct. Increasing decreasing is yes. Increasing decreasing is correct. Anyone else? Okay, I'm writing down the answers. Everyone match. Okay.
Sir, could you check number 3?
Wait. Sabragni, your answers are correct. Yes, Shrita, your answers are correct.
So all are correct.
Yes. Soham, you have missed a point of inflection. Yes, Samragni, part 4 is correct. Rishabh, your answer is correct. Anvesha, your answers are correct. Okay, let me solve. Yes, Sohipsha, your answers are correct. Swapnil, you have missed a point of inflection. Okay, let me solve, everyone. Let me solve. It's been a long time. Let me solve. We match it. Number 1. First of all, we need to find out in which intervals the function is increasing and decreasing. Try to understand. The function increases when f dash x is greater than 0, right? So over here, I'm writing down the answer directly, okay? You people can understand it is greater than 0 in these
Yes,
intervals.
sir.
See, Agnimitra, are you getting? See, it is increasing in this interval. So x belongs to 2, 4, union 6, 8. Even if you give open brackets, close brackets, does not. But give open brackets. It will be equal to 0, right? F dash x is equal to 0 at those points. Give open brackets. Should be good. But no, even if you give close brackets, does not matter. F dash x should be greater than or equal to 0. Okay. 6, 8, and then 10, infinity, right? Tell me everyone, are you people getting? Yes or no?
Yes,
Next.
sir.
Over here, so are you getting? This is increasing. Next. What is decreasing? X belongs to. For decreasing less than 0, 0, 2. Union 4, 6. Union 8, 10. Anything else? No. Part 2. Find local maxima and local minima. Okay, so we need to understand around which points it is changing its sign. Okay, pay attention everyone. See, can you people understand? Around 2, it is becoming from negative to positive. Right, around 2 it is becoming negative Negative to positive means what? Local minima, right? Wherever it goes from negative to positive, they are local minima. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. So local minima are 2, then 6, right? Whenever it is negative to positive, it is local minima. 2, 6 and 10. And what is local maxima? Local maxima is 4 and 8. Tell me. Written? Oh. 0 why? Sign does not change. It starts from 0. Okay. Next, find the interval in which f is concave up. F is concave up. F is concave up. Means f dash x is increasing. F is concave up means f dash x is increasing. Then only f double dash x is greater than 0. Right, tell me. So in which interval f dash x is increasing? Can you people see? 1, 3, 5 to 7. Are people getting? So I am writing for concave up. Pay attention everyone. Concave up. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Concave up will be 1, 3 union 5, 7 union, after that 9, 11. Right, tell me. Yes. Concave up. Okay. And anything else? 12 to infinity also. It is increasing, right? Wherever f dash x is increasing, the graph is concave up. Tell me, are you getting? Wherever f dash x is, tell me, Shana, is it clear? Trina, have you understood? Tell me. Okay, I think I have done it correctly. Rest. Where it is concave down when f dash x is decreasing. Right, decreasing means 0 to 1. Right, tell me, are people getting? Then 3, 5. Right, tell me, are people getting? Those who are online, tell me. 3, 5. Union 7 to 9 and 11 to 12. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Number 4, last one. Points of inflection means the sign of f dash x, f double dash x will change. Right? Yes. So wherever we are getting the maxima or minima are of f dash x. Okay. So sign changes. Like see around 1. Around 1. First of all, not around 1. Concavity changes, right? Concavity changes. First of all, it was concave down, then it is concave up, right? So it will be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. 9 and 11. Okay. Are people getting? 12 also. Wait, let me see. Concavity changes, right? So x equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 12. Tell me, are you people getting yes or no? Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Those are online, is it clear? Tell me.
Sir,
What?
So for this thing to change, I mean the concavity change, the tangent has to be 0 at least at 1 point.
0 at least at?
1 point.
Yes. We are talking about f dash x. Try to understand. Over here, see, f dash x is increasing and then it starts decreasing. Are you getting? It starts decreasing, so at some point it will be equal to 0. Right or not? First of all, it was increasing, then it has started decreasing. Okay, concavity changes. And f dash x concavity, if the concavity changes, that means at some point f double dash x will be equal to 0. Right or not?
So how we can see this, like this is the graph effect, and we have to find out the increasing and decreasing part.
Only the increasing and decreasing part. Okay. Anyways, Next, our next topic is last topic, everyone, for AOD. Okay, congratulations, almost you can say. You people can start celebrating.
Sir, today it will get finished.
Today AOD will be finished.
So the test will be on 26th or 2nd of August.
Test will be 26th of July. I cannot delay.
Even after 2nd of August.
No, why? 26th?
Yes, yes. The person who said.
What?
Option of 2nd of
No,
August.
no. Y equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d plus cx plus d. It is equal to f of x, where f maps R to R. Okay, and a is not equal to 0. Okay, everyone. Then the function is onto. Right, tell me everyone. Then the function is onto continuous, and can I say it is differentiable? And differentiable. Right, tell me, all polynomials are differentiable. It's a polynomial, right? Differentiable. But it may or may not be 1, 1. Right. Tell me, are people getting? It may or may not be 1, 1. Okay, somebody remind me that I have to change that statement. Okay, at the end of the class I'll change that statement. Okay, 1, 1. Okay, everyone. For example, y is equal to x cube is 1, 1. Right, tell me everyone. Y equal to x cube is 1, 1 and is always increasing. Right, tell me everyone. And the function is always increasing. Okay, always increasing. But tell me everyone, y equal to x cube by 3 minus x. Is this function increasing? I mean, always increasing? Tell me. No. Over here, what are the roots of this function? What are the roots? What are the zeros? Tell me. 0 and plus minus root 3. Okay. So see, at x equal to, if you differentiate y dash will be equal to x square minus x. Right, tell me. X square minus x. So this is how the graph will look like. Tell me. At x equal to 1 and minus 1, we'll get the extremums? Yes or no? This is how the graph will look like. Are you people getting?
Sir, x square minus 1.
Oh yes, sorry. X square minus 1. Sorry. X square minus 1. So the function has extremum at x equal to plus minus 1. And is it 1, 1? And it is not 1, 1. Okay, everyone. Okay.
So could you scroll up a bit?
So for some special case it can be 1, 1.
Huh?
So for some special case it can be 1, 1.
From?
For some special case it can be 1, 1.
Yes, y equal to x cube.
Yeah,
It is 1, 1, right? If it does not has an extremum.
yeah.
Next. Now you see everyone, if y equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Okay, what is y dash? Y dash is 3x square plus 2bx plus c. Okay, everyone. So there can be three things that are possible. This can be always greater than or equal to 0. Right. Achha, why I am writing always greater than or equal to 0? It cannot be a horizontal line, right? So it can be equal to 0, no problem. Wherever it is equal to 0, the concavity will change. Okay. Always greater than or equal to 0, then it can be equal to 0 as well. Right. Or you can, no. It can be equal to 0. Right. And it can be less than or equal to 0. Tell me, are people getting? Huh?
Sir, any quadratic range is like only positive. It cannot be all real. No?
A is negative. A is negative. Okay. So over here we'll get maximum or minimum. Now see, if discriminant is greater than 0, okay, if discriminant is greater than 0, we'll get maxima or minima, right or not? Tell me, we'll get the roots of the quadratic. Okay, we'll get roots of quadratic. Achha, this is a quadratic, right? So how can it be equal to 0? It cannot be equal to 0. So only two cases are possible. Either it is always greater than or equal to 0, or it can be less than or equal to 0. Okay, it's always a quadratic. Discriminant is greater than 0. Okay, what we'll get? We'll get a maxima or minima. Tell me, are people getting? We'll get a maxima or minima. Next, see everyone, y double dash is equal to
Sir,
6.
if it is always greater than equal to 0, then it can happen that discriminant is less than 0 also.
Yes, discriminant less than 0 also. So what? Tell me what you are going to say.
No, you not d greater than 0. That's why.
This is another thing. I mean, is apart from those things. I'm just saying that it can be strictly greater than or equal to 0 or less than or equal to 0. 6ax plus 2b. Y double dash 6 is equal to 6ax plus 2b. It has only one root. Can you people understand? It has only one root. Achha. So y double dash is equal to 0 at only one value. Okay. And y double dash will change its sign. Will change its sign at only that value, or you can say around that value.
Every cubic will have a constant.
Tell me, are people getting? Around that value it will change its sign. Okay. Thus every cubic, thus we can say every cubic has at least one point, exactly one point of inflection. Right, exactly one point of inflection. Tell me, are people getting? Yes or no? Because there is only one root of y double dash, exactly one point of inflection. It is very important to understand this. Next, graphs of cubic. Graphs of cubic. Pay attention, everyone. Case 1. When a is greater than 0. When a is greater than 0. Coefficient of x cube is greater than 0. That means the graph will come from negative infinity. Right, Rina, are you getting? Tell me. This is how the graph will look like. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. How many roots it has? Tell me. Okay. It has only one root. Case 1. Case 2. When a is less than 0. When a is less than 0, the graph will come somewhat like this. Okay. I'm just showing you what will happen for a greater than 0 and a less than 0. Okay, everyone? Next. If in a cubic, A, B, C, D belongs to real numbers, okay, then the cubic has three distinct real roots. three distinct real roots. Okay. Three distinct real roots. Number one. See, it can happen that the graph of cubic looks somewhat like this. I mean, what are the different graphs that are possible if a greater than 0?
There can be an option that it has only one real root.
Wait, there exist three distinct roots. Okay, now it's fine. I didn't say that it is real or imaginary. The roots can be imaginary also. Okay, then there exist three distinct roots. Okay, see, the graph can look somewhat like this. Tell me, are you people getting? This is one way to draw the graph. Next. Number 2. Acha, over here we are getting a point of minima, we are getting a point of maxima. Right? So we are getting two distinct roots of its derivative. Right? So the discriminant of the derivative will be strictly greater than 0. Are people getting? Those who are online? They are getting two distinct roots of the derivative. So discriminant of the derivative will be greater than 0. Remember. Next, case 2. Okay, first of all, I'm drawing the cases, then I'm going to write it. Okay. In this case,
Sir, could you please zoom out a bit?
okay. See, in this case, are we getting maxima and minima?
Yes, sir.
We are getting a maxima. Again, discriminant will be greater than 0. Okay. But for this one, there will be one more thing. Okay, I'll discuss. Part 3. The graph can look somewhat like this. Pay attention. The graph can look somewhat like this. Okay, is one way. And another way the graph can look like is it clear, everyone? Tell me. This is another way that the graph can look like. Okay, there are some more different cases. Okay, but currently I am focusing on these 4 cases. Okay.
So it can also cut it at 2 points.
Yes. I'm saying that there can be more cases. Okay, but if you understand these 4 cases, you will be able to interpret what will happen in those cases. Okay. From the above cases, above 4 cases, case 1 has 3 distinct real roots. 3 distinct real roots. Okay, everyone. So the conditions are. What conditions we can apply? Conditions are: number 1, f dash x should be equal to 0. Should have how many distinct real roots? Should have 2 distinct real roots. Are people getting? Tell me. It has one maximum, one minima. So it should have 2 distinct real roots. Next, let f of x equal to 0. Sorry, f dash x equal to 0 has roots x1 and x2. Let us say f dash x equal to 0 has roots x1 and x2. Okay, how to, has roots x1 and x2 where x1 is less than x2 and a is greater than 0. Okay, then we'll get a local maxima at, tell me, at which point we'll get local maxima? Between x1 and x2. Either we'll get at x1 or we'll get at x2. At x1. We'll get a local maxima at x1. Tell me, are people getting? We'll get a local maxima at x1. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Those are online. Next, number 2. Can you people understand that f of x1 will be greater than 0 and f of x2 will be less than 0? Right or not? For 3 distinct real roots. See everyone, look at the graph. This is x1. Pay attention everyone. This is x1 and this is x2. F of x1 is greater than 0. F of x2 is less than 0. Right. So this implies we'll get 3 real roots. Are people getting how we are getting 3 real roots? Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. We'll get 3 real roots. Case 2. So I'm going to generalize it. Okay. For case 2, when a is less than 0, how we'll get 3 real roots? Pay attention everyone. When a is less than 0, we'll get 3 real roots like this. Right? We'll get 3 real roots like this. So in this case, at x1 we are getting maxima or minima? Tell me. At x1 we'll get minima. So generalizing for a greater than 0 and a less than 0. Okay, generalizing. What do we get? Number 1, f dash x equal to 0 has 2 distinct real roots. Number 2, f of x1 into f of x2 will give us, tell me, should be greater than 0, less than 0. Are people getting? Tell me. So these are the conditions you need to follow. Next, those are online, is it clear? Tell me, Adrija, Aibsha, Ahir, Agnimitra, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Anvesha,
Yes, sir.
Madhurjo, Rasheshwari, Socrates, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Shayasi, Shwankit,
Yes,
Shamali.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. Cubic has. Can a cubic has 2 distinct real roots? Tell me. No. Can a cubic has 2 distinct real roots where coefficients are real?
No, sir. Yes.
No. Others, 2 people have said no. Abhigyan has said yes. Tell me, those are online. Tell me, can a cubic has 2 distinct real roots? Tell me. How about this graph? Tell me. Does it have 2 distinct real roots? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Shashwato, Pritam. Okay. So everyone, we know that imaginary roots always occur in pairs. Always occur in conjugate pairs. Okay. So here we'll get a repeated root. We'll get a repeated root, one repeated root of multiplicity 2. Tell me. For example, how is the graph? I mean, what will be the cubic? X minus 1 into x minus 2 whole square. Tell me, are people getting? So over here, what will happen? Over here, f dash x will be equal to? Tell me. Over here, f dash x will be equal to x minus 2 into something, right? Tell me. Do you remember in AOD only I have discussed that if x minus alpha is a root of multiplicity k in f of x, then what will be the multiplicity in rth derivative of f of x? Tell me. If x minus alpha, if alpha is a root of multiplicity k in f of x, then in the rth derivative, what is the multiplicity? K minus r, right? Do you remember? So over here also, when you differentiate once, x minus 2 will be there, right? Tell me. X minus 2 into something. Okay. So the root of f of x and f dash x will coincide. Okay, everyone. Root of f of x and f dash x will coincide. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. So you people can use this and get the root. Okay. This is the condition. Next. F dash x equal to 0. F dash x equal to 0 has two distinct real roots. No. F of x equal to 0 has two distinct real roots. Distinct real roots. Has following cases. Distinct real roots x1 and x2 in the following cases. Okay. So wait, write f dash x only, okay? Write f dash x only. Pay attention. So this can be one of the case. Tell me, are people getting? Case 1. Another case can be this. Pay attention. Okay. Case 3. Another case can be somewhat like this. And another case can be somewhat like this. Right, tell me everyone. Are people getting? Over here, what do we need to apply? Over here, f of x1, f dash at x1 multiplied by f dash at x2. Wait, over here f of x1 into f of x2 should be equal to 0. Right, this is what we need to apply. F of x1 multiplied by f of x2 should be equal to 0. Next, a cubic has only one real root. So in these cases, everyone, cubic has two distinct real roots. Next, cubic has only one real root. Only one real root. Tell me. In which cases? See. In this case, what do we need to apply? F dash x must be greater than or equal to 0. Right. Next. In this case, what do we need to apply? F dash x less than or equal to 0. Next. Now I am showing 4 more graphs. Okay.
So can you zoom out a bit?
Yes, this is one more graph. Another graph. Okay. Another graph. Okay, let us call this case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4, case 5. Okay, and lastly case 6. Okay. So I'm telling you what conditions you have to apply for the last 4 cases. Okay, pay attention. In the last 4 graphs, in the last 4 graphs, when we get maxima or minima, then f of x1 into f of x2 must be greater than 0. Right, tell me. See, in the last 4 cases, the maxima and minima are lying on the same side of x-axis. So the product f of x1 into f of x2 must be greater than 0, or f of x1 where x1 x2 and x2 are roots of f dash x. Tell me, are you people getting? Yes or no? If f of x1 into f of x2 is less than 0, that means they both lie on different sides of x-axis. Okay, that means it will definitely intersect at 3 distinct points. Okay, so let us do some problems, everyone. Those are online. Anyone having any doubt in cubic? Tell me. Shashwata, is it clear? Ankit? Srina, have you understood? Shana, is it clear? Tell me. Rasheshwari, Anvesha, Agniba, Avipsha, Agnimitra, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sokrit, Samragni, Shrita, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yasi, Soham, Sohan, Rishabh,
Yes,
Kamali and
sir.
Shopnil, is it
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Shwankit, have you understood? Question
Yes, sir.
number, what is the last question number I've done? 4. Check once. 3 or 4. 5. If x cube by 3 minus 2x square plus 3x minus 1 equal to 0, find the number of real roots of this equation. Find the number of real roots of this equation. Quickly solve. Question number 6. If f of x equal to x cube by 3 minus 2x square plus 3x plus 4 equal to 0, find the number of real roots. Find the number of real roots of f of x. Also find the greatest integer of second root. Okay. Yes, Adrija, first one is correct. Yes, Samragni, first one is correct.
Sir.
Soham, first one is correct. Sure. First one. Correct. Now check it again.
Sir.
Yes, Rishabh, your answer is correct. Ahir, your answer is correct. Just give me 1 minute, I'm checking.
So, is it even also have the greatest integer and the second two?
Hmm?
The question number 6 is it even find the greatest integer of the second two?
Yes.
The second means bigger two.
Bigger than the first one. Okay, let me see. Some people have sent the answer.
So, can you check?
X cube by 3 minus 2x square plus 3x plus 4 equal to 0 and x cube by 3 minus 2x square plus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay. Let me see. Number 5.
Did I send 6?
Check it again. I'm checking. Let me see. Some people have sent the answer. Let me see. Okay. Yes, so on first one is correct. Anvesha first one is correct. Adrija, check number 6. Rishabh first one is correct. Agniva first one is correct. Shamli first one is correct. Socrates check number 6. 5 is correct. Swapnil, your answers are correct. Next, Ahir, your answers are correct. And Samragni, your answers are correct. Pratyay, where are you? Yes, first one is correct. Okay, first one I'm solving. Pay attention, everyone. X cube by 3. Pay attention. First one, let me see. Correct. First one, correct. Pay attention, everyone. First one. X cube by 3, right? So everyone, let us differentiate. F dash x will be equal to 3x square. So this will give us how much? X square minus 4x plus 3. This will give us x minus 1 into x minus 3. Right? Tell me, everyone, which is equal to this implies x equal to 1 comma 3. Right? Tell me. So I've got x1 equal to 1, x2 is equal to 3. Coefficient of x cube is greater than 0. So the graph will look somewhat like this. Okay. We need to just check what will happen at f of 1 and f of 3. F of 1 is equal to 1 by 3 minus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Is it positive? Yes, it is positive. And f of 3 is 3 cube by 3. F of 3 cube by 3 is how much? 27. 3, 9. 9 minus 18 plus 9 plus 4. So this is positive. Oh, wait a minute. I need to check in the first one. Wait.
Yes.
Acha, let us check. Let us. So I was about to solve number 6, but I was about to solve number 5, but I solved number 6. Okay. So this is number 6. Okay, everyone. This is also greater than 0. This implies it has only one real root.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now it has only one. So what is f of 0? F of 0 is equal to positive, right? So your root is lying before 0, right? F of 0 is equal to. So there is only one real root. We need to find out the greatest integer of that real root only.
Minus one.
And f of minus 1 will be how much? Tell me. F of minus 1 will be equal to. Let us substitute. Minus 1 by 3. Minus 2. Okay. Plus 3 into minus 1 minus 3. And plus 4. This is less than 0, right? So that means the root lies. This implies your root lies in minus 1 comma 0, right? Tell me, everyone. So what is the greatest integer of that root? Tell me, everyone. The graph will look somewhat like this. The graph will look somewhat like this. Okay. This is 1 and this is 3. Oh, sorry, this is minus 1. 0. Okay, the graph has maximum minimum at 1 and 3, right? Let me see. It has maximum minimum. The graph will look somewhat like this. Okay. So everyone, over here, what is the greatest integer? Greatest integer will be? Greatest integer of the root will be equal to minus 1. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me.
No, sir.
Yes. Yes, Agniva, your answer is correct. Now I'm going to solve number 5, everyone. Okay. Number 5, it is written x cube by. Okay. So let us find out f dash x. F dash x will be equal to what? 3x square. Same thing. 3x square minus 4x.
Yes, sir.
So x square minus 4x plus 3 only, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, we'll get the same thing. Tell me, anyone having
1
any
and
doubt?
3 only.
Yes. Putting it equal to 0, x equal to 1 and 3, right? So over here, what is f of 1? F of 1 is equal to, tell me. What happened, Shashwato? What are you talking about? Tell me. Minus 2 into 1 square. Tell me. What is he saying? So actually, he chose not to hear you. Right. He chose not to hear. Next time he'll change his place. He'll not sit beside you.
I always want to read it has got.
Wait, let me see. Minus 1, right? Plus 3x minus 1. So this is positive or negative? Let me see. Positive, right? F of 3 is equal to 3 cube by 3. That is 9 minus 2 into 3 square plus 9 minus 1, which is less than 0, right? So hence there exist 3 real roots. Hence there exists 3 real roots. Tell me, are you people getting yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, one last problem. Okay.
Sir, next day we'll start which chapter?
Next day, integration. Integration, indefinite starts next day.
Oh, okay, sir.
So how much time would it take to complete integration? I mean,
Indefinite will not take much time, but definite will take.
means will you complete it before the starting of September, like before our half yearly?
Most probably before September, I think we'll be able to complete. No. After that, I mean, phase 4 will complete before September. August is full left, so I think I'll be able to complete. Okay, indefinite will complete quickly because some parts we did it earlier also. Definite may take a bit of time. One last problem, everyone, came in advanced 2013, everyone. Good problem. Advanced 2013. Solve. Acha, wait, options are also given. I'm giving you options. Option A. Option A, 24. Option B, 32. Option C, 45. Option D, 60. So in your half yearly, JEE, you have integration.
Yes, up to definite integration and determinants in matters.
Okay.
So what's B side?
So we have vectors.
Vectors also.
And the integration board.
It is not even half year, it is actual board exam.
By boards. So
No, my boards is in September.
it's boards is in September. Oh, you are in WB, right? Achha, there are 2 boards. The last problem, everyone. Congratulations. Your AOD is complete. Huge chapter, everyone.
Sir, how much time did AOD take?
I don't know. When did I start? Last month.
Approx 3 weeks, sir.
First.
That means 6 classes.
Yes.
So can you tell me what's the meaning of B sides?
What?
B sides.
Where? Right?
That's the last time. Second last time.
It's the length of the sides. That is a printing mistake. Length of the sides. See, once your calculus is complete, okay, you can say that your 90 to 95% JEE syllabus is complete. Okay.
Sir, vector cheating.
Vector 3D, why I'm saying 90 to 95%? Because from the last 3 chapters, 2 question comes. Okay, so that's why I'm saying 90 to 95%. Okay, it depends upon the number of questions that are being asked in the exam. Understood?
Yes.
So that means you are almost ready to attempt 22 to 23 questions in mains. Are you getting?
Yes.
So that's how
So
I'm
this
saying
was the
90%.
multiple correct type, right?
A multiple correct type, everyone. Multiple. So let me start. Okay, everyone.
So sending you the
Start.
answer.
Send. I'll show you what mistake people did at that time. Okay, during this problem. Okay.
Sir, wait, I
There is a reason I have given this problem. This is question number 8. What is 7? Next class, indefinite starts. Oh yes, Socrates, right answer. So I think I should start, everyone. First of all, I am going to solve it completely. Okay, so everyone pay attention. A rectangular sheet of fixed perimeter. Okay. Rectangular sheet of fixed perimeter.
Squares are of
Having their
unit
lengths
area.
are of length.
Squares are of unit area.
Squares are of
Unit area.
equal area.
equal area. Okay. Pay attention. Equal area, not unit area. Unit area, then the sum will be done only. Right? You will be able to find out.
Easier.
It will be easy. Pay attention. No, I think you can find out everything then. Pay attention. This is the square. I mean, this is a rectangle. Right, a rectangular sheet of paper with fixed perimeter. Perimeter is fixed. Okay. With side lengths in the ratio 8:15. That means this is 15 lambda. Right. And this is 8 lambda. Is converted into an open rectangular box by folding after removing squares. So you people must have done this kind of problems in volume and surface area in class 8, 9, right? Like what you used to do. I mean, this much is cut, okay, and it is converted into an open box, right? Tell me. It is converted into an open box like this, okay, of equal length. That means this is x, right? Tell me everyone. This is x. 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 This is x, right? Achha, tell me everyone, what is the volume of the open box? Volume is equal to x into 15 lambda minus 2x and into 8 lambda minus 2x. Tell me, are people getting? This is the volume.
Means the upper half is not
Upper part is not there. Okay, open box. Okay, one part is empty. Okay. Now over here, try to understand. Lambda is fixed, right? The ratio is fixed. Lambda is fixed. You cannot change lambda. Okay. X is varying, right? Here, lambda is fixed. Write it down. X is variable. X is the variable. Okay, everyone. Next. Now see, it is given that from all four corners, if the total area removed, if the total area of removed squares is 100, okay, the resulting box has maximum value. Means after removing the total area, the resulting box will have maximum volume. Okay. Then the length of the sides of the rectangular sheet. Pay attention, everyone. Okay. So let us differentiate. We have to maximize the volume, right? On differentiating, what do we get? dv by dx is equal to, okay, let us multiply this. X into 15 into 120 is, 8 is 120 lambda square minus 30 lambda x minus 16 lambda x, so minus 46 lambda x plus 4x square, right? Tell me everyone, are people getting?
Yes, sir.
So dv by dx will become 12x, dv by dx will become 4x cubed, so it is 12x square, okay, minus 92 lambda x plus 120 lambda square. Tell me, are you getting 3 now? Are you getting?
So what do you have to find the
Okay. Now if you put dv by dx equal to 0, what is the value of x? Tell me.
10.
X is 10. Let me see. 12x square.
The
12x square minus 92 lambda x.
5.
So,
5.
it's the answer.
Wait, let me see. No. Something we can take common. Tell me. 2 we can take common. We'll get 6x square minus 46 lambda x plus
60 lambda.
So we can find out
60 lambda square. Okay.
we can find out the length of the
So again, you can take 2 common.
squares. Say 4
Wait.
square goes to 100.
How what?
We can find out the length of the squares by using 4x square goes to 100.
4x square is equal to?
100. Yeah.
Wait, I'm telling you. Okay, 2 into 6x square minus 46 lambda x plus 60 lambda square. Achha, so also you see, when you take 4x square is equal to 100. Okay, 4x square, this is the removed area, right? 4x square is equal to 100. What is the value of x? Tell me everyone. X equal to 5. Okay, next. Everyone pay attention. We are getting dv by dx. Okay, we have to put it equal to 0. So substitute x equal to 5. What do we get? 2 will go on. Okay, so it will become 6 into 5.
So 300 minus 460k plus 120k square equal to 0.
300
Minus 460k
minus 460. 460 lambda.
Yes, I took
Plus
k because I said lambda plus 120 lambda square equal to 0.
120 lambda square equal to 0. Tell me, are people getting? Yes or no? From here, we have got a quadratic in lambda. Pay attention.
So that will be
We'll get
460, right?
which one? Oh yes, 460. Okay, dividing by 10, we'll get 30 minus 46 lambda plus 12 lambda square, right? We can again divide by 2. 15 minus 23 lambda plus 6 lambda square is equal to 0. Can we factorize it? Tell me.
Yes, sir. 6 lambda minus 5 into lambda minus 5.
6 lambda minus 5 into lambda 3 is equal to 0. Right, tell me, are people getting? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So from here, what are the values of lambda? Lambda equal to 6 by 5. Oh, sorry, 5 by 6 or 3, right? Tell me, everyone. Okay, if lambda equal to 5 by 6, what is 8 lambda minus 5? Tell me, 8 lambda minus 5 is equal to 8 into 5 by 6
So
minus
it
5.
will be 8 lambda minus 10, right? It was 8 lambda minus 2x.
Oh, yes. 8
You will
lambda.
get a negative value. So lambda equal to 5 by 6 is not possible.
So see everyone, lambda equal to 5 by 6 is not possible. So this is discarded. Tell me, are people getting? Okay, so only value of lambda that is possible is lambda equal to 3. If lambda equal to 3, what are the lengths? Tell me everyone. 8 into 3, 24 and 45. Tell me, are people getting? Oh, where do people make mistake? So this is option A and option C.
Yes, sir.
Okay, where do people make mistake? Okay, generally pay attention. See, once you got 4x square is equal to 100, okay, people write it as x is equal to 5, and then they directly write the volume as volume is equal to 5 into 15 lambda minus 10 into 8 lambda minus 10. Okay, now over here you see lambda is a constant. With what will you differentiate? Are you getting? Over here lambda is a constant. So this is where people make mistake. Okay. Are you getting? Okay,
Yes,
because
sir.
in the question it was clearly mentioned. In the question it was clearly mentioned that the volume is maximum after removing the area. Okay. Tell me, those who are online, have you people understood? Tell me. Has everyone understood? Those who are online? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Tell me, Shweta, Shreyasi, Shwankit, Sohan, Swapnil, is it clear? Okay, so complete theory, everyone. Next class we'll start with definite integral. Thank
Yes.
you, everyone. Good night. Bye.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Good night, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good
Sir,
night.
can you send me the AOD, LCD PDFs, bundle PDFs?
Sure. Just
Thank
text
you,
me
sir.
once. Okay. Give me a
Yes,
text.
sir.
Okay, I'll send. Okay, bye.